I'm going to share another recipe from the state of Kerala, fish MAPPAAS. This is one of my personal favorites. To make this recipe, it's better to use medium to big sized fishes or just use fish fillets. I'm using here tilapia fillets. First step is to prepare the masala for marinating the fish. In a small bowl, take half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Add little water and make thick paste. I have taken 250 grams, that's approximately half lb of fish. Marinate all the fish pieces nicely with this masala and keep aside for about 30 minutes. Heat a pan, add some coconut oil and pan fry the fish pieces. Keep the flame on low-medium. Carefully remove the fish pieces from oil. Now, into the same pan, add some chopped garlic and ginger. Mix and lightly roast them. I needed some extra oil here, so adding some more coconut oil. Adding 2 green chilies slit, 1 small onion chopped, salt to taste, curry leaves, and give it a good mix. Once the onions are little soft, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix everything well. Add 1 tomato chopped and mix once again. Now add little water, cover and cook until tomatoes are softened well. Now add around 1.5 cups fresh coconut milk. Mix well, cover and let this come to a boil. It's time to add the fried fish pieces carefully. Once again, let's wait until the gravy starts boiling. And yes, here it is, fish MAPPAAS, ready to serve with appam, idiyappam, dosha or rice.